The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar especially is actually areas of strength for really an unobtrusive way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 56 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is floating at $1,346,853, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo explicitly acquired roughly 0.44% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. 01 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some things, facts. What for the most part is by and large momentary cost expectation for Nexo, sort of is Nexo a for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth in a sort of large manner. In any case, prior to jumping extremely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, especially let us essentially discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an exceptionally enormous way. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,081,218,746,604 in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,380,033,012 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,093.06 level after a vertical development of 0.13% in an in every practical sense, huge way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 0.43%, coming to $1,672.26 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.90, following a value change of 0.89% within a similar time span, so the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar generally is major areas of strength for truly, for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in an in every practical sense, large way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a for the most part descending bearing for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every way that really matters, all the more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exceptionally further appearance, how Nexo support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers essentially become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in a by and large huge manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The by and large current Nexo cost truly is 56 cents. With an exchanging volume of $1,346,853 in the beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that as of now, and in every practical sense, general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very critical. As of now, Nexo generally is up by 0.44% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $314,975,408 United States dollars in a sort of significant manner. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost examination for 01 October 2023, inside an everyday time period, really made sense of underneath, showing what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,093.06 level after a vertical development of 0.13% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Nexo, which most certainly is very critical. The Nexo sort of has basically break all its sort of supports levels, and things certainly are not searching in every practical sense, great for the crypto market, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume basically remains at $28,380,033,012, which for the most part is very critical. As of now, in a real sense bears in every practical sense, are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Nexo cost beneath the critical help level of 82 cents, exhibiting how the Nexo for the most part has truly break all its truly upholds levels and things certainly are not looking certainly great for the crypto market. Showing how the really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,380,033,012 in a very huge manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and really is attempting to explicitly break out of the lack of bias zone. Especially further appearance how following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The sort of current Nexo cost generally is 56 cents. With an exchanging volume of $1,346,853 in the exact beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that as of now, a certainly broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. While Nexo's Williams %R marker generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign certainly is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that help basically is a level at which purchasers truly become all the more truly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exceptionally further appearance how Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line especially is remaining above of the by and large sign line after in every practical sense, positive hybrid, so while Nexo's Williams %R marker generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange all things considered. Signal in every practical sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that help really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become basically more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, pretty further appearance, how Nexo support and opposition levels, and so on in an especially huge manner. Nexo financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, showing how while Nexo's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal explicitly is essentially conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting that help certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become basically more beautiful dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely further appearance, how Nexo support and opposition levels